Hello, my name is Nikhil Tarte. I had created an application named as Talk Without Talking under Enter Perceptual Computing Challenge. Let's start it.
Welcome to Talk Without Talking, a gesture-based conferencing software specially designed for conversation between normal persons and deaf and dumb persons. I am your assistant. I will help you whenever you need me. Please log in with your username and password.
Here, this is the demo application, so I had created the whole chat scenario in only one screen. Let us start. You can add any new user.
Create a new account. Use unique username and a strong password.
Add any photo. Here you can select either of the two, either a normal user or a deaf and dumb user. It says deaf and dumb user created successfully. So continue by logging. I want to log in my username, assign passwords. So,
welcome SNB. I am your assistant. I will help you whenever you need me. Feel free to talk with me. So, let's start. Please choose what you want to do.
Here on the left hand side is the normal user window, and on the right hand side you can see the deaf and dumb user window. Here, let's start. The detected gestures and detected data. The detected gesture was hello and the detected data was hello. Let's start by adding new gestures. If I want to add any gestures, I can add any sort of gestures. By starting, I want to add this gesture. As you see the photo in the window, I want to represent it as wheel. I'll add it. It says template has been added. So let's start by chat.
Starting conference with
I'll
Nick.
say right now the connection has not been established between the two windows. As soon as I open them, I can send messages. I'll say send. Here in receive image you can see that hello message has been printed for the deaf and dumb user for understanding purpose. If I want to say hello, I'll simply, it says hello.
Nick says, hello. Nick says, I am happy.
If I want to add any symbol just like that, I want to add you. It stands for you, and I want to say beautiful. It says you beautiful. So let's start. Send it.
Nick says, you are beautiful.
It has converted the deaf and dumb sentences of grammarless sentences into a normal sentences. If I want to say you have a beautiful smile, and I'll send it. In receive image you can see you, beautiful and smile. These are the assigned symbols for various operations, and you can add any gestures, any symbol. I want to say help. This was the pre-assigned symbol. I can say help.
Nick says, I want to help you.
It is based on machine learning. So as more the sentences you add in normal user field, the more dictionary of the normal sentences will get increased. And according to that, if I want to say here, I had said only help. So it has recognized I want to help you. But if I'll say help, hello, help, but it won't recognize. It will say
Nick says, hello, help.
I'll add hello, help me. Send. The word has been added in the dictionary. So when next time I'll say hello, help, I'll send it.
Nick says, hello, help me.
So this is converted, this has added that word. So this was the main application. The deaf and dumb users will definitely get help out of it. This is basically a demo application. In the further versions, the normal user will be having the voice recognition function. So without typing directly, you can say hello, help me. So that will definitely add that sentences and send it to the other screen. Because of I guess the gestures and voice recognition were not working correctly in the current version of SDK. So this was the main application of Intel Perceptual, talk without talking. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. By clicking sign out, I can sign out with this application, disconnect and sign out. Thank you for watching.